Hey guys, so today I have got the October Witch Casket box to show you. As you can hear, it is a very noisy one. If you've not seen me open this before, it's a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post it worldwide, but it's different prices for different countries, so you'd have to check how much it is to your country. I'll put as much information as I can down below in the description, but I think it only shows the UK, Europe and USA, so for anyone else you would have to have a check yourself. But yeah, like I said, this is the October box, so kind of like the Halloween box, I guess. We are gonna open it and see what is in here. So as always, right on the top we've got the little booklet. This month's theme is House Witchery, and it's like a brown and orange kind of theme. Not my favourite colours, honestly, but maybe the stuff in it will be cool. I haven't looked in here yet, so I'm not sure what's in it. This is just a little book that tells you about everything that's in there in more detail if you need to look through that. But we are just gonna show everything on camera. But if you do get the box, this tells you more information. So there is that. Then we have our print for the month. You pretty much always get an art print. And this month, we have this one, which is kind of like a little Victorian sort of looking. It is just a girl or a witch in a little circle. So that's the print. Then next we have our spell for the month. So you always get a little spell kit. This one is Magical Protection Pouch Kit. It says it contains everything you need to create a magical protection pouch. So I will open this up and show you what is in here. Okay, so in here we have the little instruction card. I will hold it up just in case anyone wants to pause and read what it says. Then we've got a little drawstring burlap sack, a little smoky quartz, some dandelion root, and I don't know how you pronounce this, but some marjoram. So that's everything in the little protection pouch spell kit. Next we have our pin for the month. This one is a little moon with some stars and like a burnt orange colour skull in the middle. So that's our little enamel pin. You do always get one of those every month. If you don't get a pin, it's usually like some little button badges or something. Then we have our crystal. Again, you always get a crystal, gemstone, some sort of stone. And this one is a carnelian. So that is what that looks like. It's like a really deep red with like black or brown veins and stuff through it. And this says, carnelian is a stabilizing stone which calms anger, encourages harmony and raises self-esteem. Believed to promote courage, carnelian can help us to feel empowered and overcome difficulties. So that is our crystal for the month. Next we have a little witch casket oil wax melt, it says, and this is cinnamon leaf scented. This has absolutely stunk out the whole box. It's either this or something else that I can smell really strong in the box, but that is just a little wax melt bar. Then we have our teas for the month. So they used to send loose leaf, but now you get 2 tea bags. This one is Heart Healing Witch's Brew, apparently. And this one says, cleansing green tea and heart healing apple combine to make this enchanting and tasty witch's brew. Brew with intent and drink mindfully. So that is the tea. To sort of go along with the tea, we've also got this really cute little tea canister. It says witch's brew on the front and witch casket on the top. I've never had one of these before. It's just like a little metal tin. You take the first lid off and then you've got this extra one to keep your tea fresh or your coffee fresh. You could put that in there as well, but it's basically for loose leaf tea, like a little holder. So very cute. Don't love the colour of it, honestly, but It's a cute item to get though, very weird, unique. Then we have 2 tiny little chocolates. These are fine dark vegan chocolates apparently. And it just says contains soy and may contain milk and nut traces on the back. So just some little treats. Then next we have this, which is like a little broomstick. So this is what it looks like. It's a little broom with a metal pentacle on it. It's pretty cute. And it says that this is an altar besom. Free gift. We know you've all been so excited for our October casket, so we included this additional gift to show how grateful we are for your support. That's very cute. It says it's a symbol of banishing and cleansing. Our exclusive altar besom or besom can be used to metaphorically sweep away negative energy from your altar before you start your spell work. This ritual broom can also be used to direct your energy and cast protective circles. So very cute little miniature broomstick. Then we have some protection floor wash kit. It says contains everything you need to make a magical protective floor wash. I'm not going to open this because I'm assuming it's just herbs, but I will tell you what is in here. So it's a blend of hawthorn leaves and rosemary and the instructions to make the floor wash basically. So hawthorn and rosemary. Then, oh, this might be what is causing the smell in the box. We have some incense sticks which are loose and not in like a little box. Definitely these are so strong. I apologise for the lighting today, by the way. I think my blue lipstick is throwing off the white balance. It keeps going really bright. So let's see what it says about the incense sticks. Oh, the chocolates are for like a trick-or-treat thing, by the way. So these are protection incense sticks. It says invoke the protecting energy of dragon's blood with our protection incense sticks. Like the stick, affirm negative energy leave this space, positivity take its place. So that is a little bunch of those. And then we have 2 items left. I'm going to leave that noisy one till last. The next one we have is this little cute wooden sign that says protected by magic. Until I started getting Witch Casket, had never seen magic with a K on the end. It throws me off for some reason. I feel like it's always spelt wrong. I know it's not, but I just kind of prefer it without the K. But that's our little sign anyway. And then the last thing we have in here before the scroll is these really cute witches bells. Now, for some reason this makes me think of Krampus. I feel like this should have maybe been in the Christmas box. I know it's not supposed to be a spooky thing, but I don't know. I just get Krampus from this. It says, the ringing of bells has long been used to clear away stagnant and unwanted energy from the home. Witches' bells are a cluster of bells designed to hang on your door as a protective charm and ring whenever anyone enters, ensuring whoever is paying you a visit doesn't bring negative energy with them. So that is really cute. Like I say, I feel like it should maybe have been in the Christmas box for some weird reason. I just associate this sound with Christmas. But nice though. It looks kind of a little creepy. I like it. Definitely my favourite item in the box. And quite a nice noise that it makes as well. So that was everything. I will quickly unravel this and show you what the scroll says, just in case anyone wants to pause and read it. So this month's scroll is House Witchery, simple ways to add magic to your home. So it's got witches' bells, cleansing, floor washes, crystals, witch balls, bring nature indoors, and essential oils and aura sprays. So I will hold this up, like I said, in case anyone wants to pause and read it or write them down. So yeah, that was everything in the October Witch Casket. I will quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So there was the little print, the magical protection pouch kit, the Protection Floor Wash, the 2 Heart Healing Witch's Brew tea bags, the little Witch's Altar Broom stick, the carnelian, the little enamel pin, the wax melt, the incense sticks, put back here, 2 of the little mini dark chocolates, the wooden sign, the witch's bells, and the witch's brew little metal tea holder. So all of these things in the October box. I did like it. I think there's a lot of items, but they are quite small items. The witch's bells are definitely my favourite. I'm going to put it down just because it's noisy. I don't really think it was a Halloween-y kind of theme though. I sort of hoped they would do a more spooky Halloween one. I know it's Witch Casket and it's more of a witch box than like a horror box, but I sort of hoped it would maybe just be a little creepier, and also that the colours would be more orange and black or something like that. But I guess they are kind of like autumnal colours, just not my favourite. The witch's bell's really cute, everything else wasn't really for me. But you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below, if you liked it or not. I'll put all the information down in the description for anyone in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.